These are spectacular visuals that we have been receiving from around the country. Take us through what exactly did you witness in Chandigarh today?
Yes, exactly. The Sukhna Lake, the flypast gone through the Sukhna Lake in Chandigarh. The two planes C-130 that fly past from the Sukhna Lake. And in fact, I would like to tell you there was no audience, there was no ceremony conducted by the Indian Air Force. The planes fly from the Srinagar and pass through the Sukhna Lake. And another ceremony where I'm standing right now is conducted by the Indian Army. I'm standing in Sector 6, Panchkula Civil Hospital, where I would like to show you the visuals. The band is entirely ready to tribute, to salute the Corona warriors. You can see the Indian Army will salute the spirit and determination of the Corona warriors, for the COVID heroes, through this band. This band will be started playing at 1000 hours to 1100 hours. This is the timing that has been given by the Indian Army to these warriors. In fact, this is placed inside the hospital, and there are several posters also flashed around you. We would like to show you the posters also, that Army salutes Corona warriors. This is the kind of photographs they have also displayed. Of doctors, sanitization workers, paramedical staffs, nurses, everyone, just because they remain on the front line to fight this COVID-19. And this is the kind of salute they have prepared. All the preparations are being done here in Sector 6, Panchkula Civil Hospital, and the ceremony will start at 10 a.m. sharply to 11 a.m. This is the timings they have given. You can see all the commanding officer of Western Command, Brigadier Mundi, would be addressing this ceremony. You can see on the other side also there is the hospital staff who are standing there, who are just standing with the social distancing. You can see they are the heroes of this entire war. This is the salute for them only, including the sanitization workers, paramedical staffs, doctors. They are all here. They will be present here to receive this salute from the Indian Army. And if we would like to talk to some officers also with us and to get information about this. Sir, today the Indian Army is going to salute the COVID warriors, COVID heroes here in Panchkula. What kind of arrangements have been done so far?
Well, Army wants to salute the Corona warriors of the nation, and this is a gesture. We'll be playing few martial tunes, which we use to pep up our own spirits. These bands are actually required to motivate the troops before undertaking any good, gallant mission. And as of now, how we envisage is this is one of the most gallant missions which is being undertaken by Corona warriors, which includes doctor staff, paramedical staff, nursing assistants, nurses, MNS staff, police. These are the frontline warriors. And the best way we think we can pay our tribute and we can thank them from entire nation side is by motivating them. Not only are we motivating them by paying some tribute in terms of songs, but also whatever we consume during hardships, like shakar paras, like meals ready to eat, we are sharing with them. And we just want to convey in this fight against Corona, which we are sure we are going to win. We are standing shoulder to shoulder. We are walking side to side with them. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot for providing the information. So this is a salute from one warrior to the other warrior. They are the one who always protect the border lines, and now they are saluting the COVID warriors who are protecting the society from the coronavirus. And this is the kind of arrangement they have done in the Panchkula. And even in fact beyond this, the petal showering will also be done here in the hospital at 10 hours. This is the timing they have given. The Indian Army chopper will fly from this hospital, and the petals would be showered on the doctors, paramedical staffs, nurses here, and the band is entirely ready. You can see this is the kind of arrangement they have done. The Western Command has done this arrangement for the COVID warriors here in Panchkula. Yes.
Beginning there in Panchkula, where Amandeep is right now live.
Yes. Exactly. This is the ceremony that has begun. Just Indian Army has started paying this, saluting the COVID heroes. You can see these patriotic tunes are being, they are playing these tunes for those who are fighting this war. On the front line, they always remain grounded. These are the special honor by the Indian Army of Western Command, and in fact, they have organized itself in the hospital. Entire
Amandeep, keep talking to us because this is a special initiative, a gesture that has been planned. We saw that happening at Sukna Lake in Chandigarh. Now there you are in Panchkula. What more arrangements that have been made in different parts as when it comes to expressing our gratitude from the armed forces side?
Yes, exactly. The armed forces are expressing their gratitude and now the doctors are appreciating. You can see them on my right that the doctors, paramedical staff, nurses are together here to witness this, to take this salute of the Indian Army, that they are playing such patriotic tunes for them, especially for them. This is a kind of salute for them. Panchkula Sector 6 Civil Hospital is actually dealing with the COVID patients, and these are the staff who always remain in touch with the COVID-19 positive cases. You can see they all are wearing all the precautionary measures and they are coming up and they are also saluting the Indian Army. For this salute, even again they are started playing the tunes. You can see the band is entirely again ready. All the photographs and the slogans have been pasted here and the band is again playing. You can see, you can listen. I think this is very important to listen these tunes, just because nation wants to listen this, just because the COVID warrior wants to listen these tunes. We should listen this tune.
Yes, please.